Hey guys, what is up? So if I look super dead, it's because we are in the middle of moving and I got too excited and needed to open this, but I wanted to make sure that you guys got an honest opinion on it. So this is my Everydaywigs human hair wig. This is not sponsored. I bought this with all my own money, and I actually read a lot of really bad reviews on it as soon as I ordered it, so that scared me. And so yeah, we're gonna see, because I couldn't really find any reviews on this, and that's something, if you're gonna be spending that much money, you kind of want to know what you're getting. So anyway, you get it in this cute little box that just says Everydaywigs. Well, that's sexy. And then you get a nice wig and a wig cap. Alright, so let's open her up. Alright, so this is the wig. It actually does not look like the picture at all. It said ombre, and then it has the shadow root, but the weird thing is that shadow root is only in the middle part, so no other parts of this wig have it. So if you part it like that, you get this awkward brown. So that's so far, and I did order 130% density, so it's not too thick, and I actually prefer that because I feel like usually wigs are way too thick. So with that being said, let's see how it looks, because I think if it is human hair, then I can try and bleach the roots. So we'll see. Oh, there is back lace too, which is really cool. It actually did not mention having back lace, but if your human hair wig has back lace, that means that you can put it up in ponytails and all that fun jazz, or at least that is what I have heard. And then the whole front part is, you can change the part, and then that's where you see that lovely thing. So it might as well be a 360 lace wig. So this is like, I'm probably gonna have to style it and straighten it down like that. And then I think it can be doable. I have not cut the lace yet. That brown in the middle is really killing my vibe though. There is a little bit of shedding. It's very thin hair. I honestly kind of scared to bleach it. And there are some baby hairs, so I guess I'm gonna go cut the lace. Okay, so the lace is now cut, and I mean, besides those roots, and definitely need to straighten this part down, then I think it's going to be a super cute wig. So tomorrow we'll get this bad boy glued and styled, and we will see if it bleaches. Okay guys, so I really do not recommend doing this as ghetto as I'm doing, but we are going to try anyway to fix this, because I'm just not having it, even though it totally looks like they like, oh, it's just so awful. We're gonna see. It might not be doable. Okay, so I'm taking a little container. We got 20 volume developer bleach. We're just going to mix a very slight amount because we don't need a lot. And I have this Joico bleach. We're getting even more ghetto here, using a paintbrush to mix because I cannot find anything else. So as you guys can see, it is actually starting to lighten. And we're just gonna kind of watch it. If you're like me, go wash your hands. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. So the wig is applied. So this is, I couldn't totally get out that dark root, but I think I at least blended it. That's that root. It's like orange, but I think as long as my hair is like this, you can't really tell. Excuse my dirty floor. So yeah, this is the wig glued down. See that? It's good stuff. Also, if you like this makeup that we got going on today, there is actually a video of it going up, so stay tuned for that. And there's a lot of good stuff actually coming up, but yeah, I'm in the middle of moving. But now that I moved and after everything's settled, we're gonna be setting up a little studio and it's gonna be super cool. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay in tune of what's gonna be going on, as well as the like button, and it would really help me out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Oh, and then I guess, should I like rate this? I'll rate this, I guess. But I've never had a human hair wig before. It is super thin, it sheds a lot. I'd say maybe like a 6.5. I think that's reasonable because I feel like it's really nice besides those things. It just feels like it's super fragile. Like when you touch it, it does not feel like thick hair. It feels like brittle, thin, and you know that when that color did not lift up there, this has been super processed hair. I'm not a professional and that's my assumption. But anyway guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Smile a lot and thank you.